To welcome our graduates and parents, as well as to open our ceremonies, let us call our beloved University President, Dr. Maria Eugenia M. Yanco.
Good afternoon, everyone. Today marks a momentous chapter in your lives, one that reflects not just the culmination of years of academic pursuit, but also the commencement of your journey as empowered individuals ready to make meaningful contributions to society. This year's theme, A Sustainable Future Through Smart Transnational Education and Global Innovation, reminds us that education is not just about acquiring knowledge. It is about transforming that knowledge into tools for positive change. Change, as you know, is constant. It is endless, and for as long as we are still alive, we can relentlessly effect positive changes that should primarily stem from within. All of the major adjustments or transformations in life did not happen on their own. Changes come about because someone took the lead, the initiative to make this happen. You can actually do more to activate the change you want to see in our community and in this world as a whole for a sustainable future. It is not just enough to text or blog in the internet on matters that you are most upset about. You have to do something good, and your actions should match the belief about the change that you want to happen to create a sustainable future. You are now equipped with the skills, values, and mindset needed to navigate a complex world, and more importantly, to shape it with compassion, creativity, and courage. As you step forward, may you carry with you the ideals of excellence, integrity, and service that RTU upholds. Whether your next destination is a workplace, a graduate school, or a community initiative, remember that your education finds its true meaning in the way it uplifts others and contributes to a more inclusive and sustainable future. Mabuhay kayo, mga bagong alumni ng RTU. The world awaits your brilliance. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat.